Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see about shift boss base and looped boss base and boundary boss base. And welcome to Mech episode. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. And here we go. Click sketch and select any one plane and start the sketch. First one, we are going to draw a shift boss base. So here I am drawing a circle. Click OK. Give the smart dimension 100 mm. Then exit sketch. Here click right plane and sketch and press Ctrl 8. Now select the line and click the midpoint and draw a L-shaped line. Now click OK and exit the sketch. Now go to features and click swept boss base. Here we select sketch profile. First one is select this and select a circle, and second one is already selected the line. Now click OK. Here rotate this. Here we got the results. This is the swept boss base. Next one is looped boss base. Cancel this. I'm going with the new one. Select top plane and click sketch. Now draw in center line. Click infinity length. Click OK. Now select the center point rectangle. Draw like this and click OK. Go to smart dimension and give the dimension 100 mm. And this one is 180 mm. And exit the sketch. Now go to features, click extrude boss base, give 20 mm and OK. Now select this and go to reference geometry, click the plane and give here distance 100 mm and click OK. Now we got the plane, and select the plane and go to sketch and press Ctrl 8. Here select a circle. Select this exact point and draw a circle. Click OK. Give the diameter 70. Now exit sketch. Then go to features, click lofted boss base, and here select this and this. Rotate view, clear selections, select this and this face. Here if you need, we have changed this and click OK and click this and hide the plane. And this is the lofted boss base. And next one is boundary boss base. I'm going with the new one. Part. And this one is same as lofted boss base, but something different from other. Give it a small dimension. I'm giving this 100, and next one is 150. Now exit the sketch and go to features, extrude this 10 mm and click OK. Now click this and go to features and click reference geometry plane. Now we got the plane. The dimension distance is 100 mm and click OK. Now the plane is created. Select this plane and go to sketch and select the circle. Press Ctrl 8. Select the circle and draw this. Give the dimension 50 mm. Now exit the sketch. Now go to features and click boundary boss base and select this face. Just I'm editing this. Go here, select rotate view. I'm fixing this. Now here we have edit option like direct and vector and normal to profile, and we control the depth of this. Drag this. If you need, you have drag this. Here tangent to face and control this height and click OK. This one is boundary boss base. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to Make Episode and share this video to your friends.